guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. Today I am working with XrsBeautyHair. Quick little unboxing for y'all. They sent me a wig cap, edge control brush. This is a wig band, a really big jumbo comb, and a pack of flexi rods. This is the wig that came in the pack. This is an 18-inch 13 by 6, I believe, frontal unit, and it have the drawstrings in the back. It got a clip in the back, in the middle, and 2 on the sides. So I did put the wig band on because it makes it a little bit more tighter on my head and easier for the install process. So this is a new clear lace, you guys. They sent me a new clear lace, and it's supposed to be undetectable on your skin, but you know, we gonna be the judge of that. So they did send me a sample, and I'm about to show y'all how this lace disappeared on my freaking hand. Like, all I used was a little Got2b freeze spray. I just put the lace on my freaking hand, and it literally just disappeared into my hand. But it's so clear that my wig cap underneath was literally showing through the lace, and not to mention the knots on the wig. This is called a new clean hairline. So you know how some companies will send you a pre-plucked hairline, a pre-bleached hairline. This is called a clean hairline. It is like somewhat of a pre-plucked, but better, like times 10. And it was also pre-bleached, and the knots were very, very small, so it makes it look a whole lot more natural on your head, as you can see. So, starting my install process, of course, going in with my ebin spray. I cut my lace into 3 sections so that I can take my time while I work. And I do 2 coats of ebin spray in every single section. And then I use my blow dryer, make it really tacky. And I just put my lace right on top and press it in. So I can say XrsBeautyHair, y'all, I've worked with them before, and I was really loving the hair. But it's like when you try something more than once and it's the same quality every single time, like the quality is so consistent. I haven't got a bad wig from them yet. They are now in my top 3 wigs. The hair was beautiful. It was silky, and it was flowy. This is actually the hair straight out the pack. So I didn't need to wash it. I didn't need to bleach it. I didn't need to pluck it. It literally comes ready to be installed, which is a plus because it saves you so much time. But as you can see, like, the lace is so melted already, and I haven't even taken off the lace yet, the excess lace off. So this is how it's looking so far. Keep that in mind. Once I cut off the excess lace, you're not even going to be able to see where I cut. It's literally disappeared like magic. So I'm using this method that I saw on TikTok. I'm just putting my razor on the lace, and I'm just pulling the lace up, so it's like it's cutting itself. And this is a way that you can, you know, prevent injury when you're cutting off your excess lace. I did go in with a little bit of my Got2b freeze spray, only because it was a little bit ashy around the perimeter, so I wanted to fix that. So I put some Got2b freeze spray a little bit on the perimeter of the lace, and then I'm just gonna put my melt band on so that, you know, it can melt even more, because once I take this melt band off, baby, you're not gonna be able to see this lace. It's gonna look like I grew this hair. I left the melt band on for about 30 minutes while I did my makeup and all that. And as you can see, it's literally so melted. It looks so freaking good. Like, it's literally plucked to perfection. Okay, and you can still see my wig cap underneath, but ain't nobody gonna be paying attention to that. I'm gonna fix that at the end with a little bit of concealer, you know. But this is they probably got the best lace out of the hair community. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I'm being honest though. They probably got the best lace. Like, I've never had a lace that melted to perfection just like this. Like, it took minimal effort. So of course, starting my styling process, I went in with a little bit of my Cara wax stick, and I got my hot comb on 450 degrees. I'm just making sure my wig is nice and flat at the top so that I can have a really seamless finish. So I'm using some heat protectant spray, and I'm just rubbing it through my hands, and I'm putting it all throughout the hair. You don't need a lot of this stuff because your hair can become really stiff. It can really weigh your hair down if you use too much. So I think I put like maybe 3 or 4 squirts in my hand, rubbed it together, and then just distributed it all over my hair. So I was gonna do straight, but then I'm like, I always do straight. Let me try something different. So I decided to do curls, and I had to use my flat iron because I'm in a process of moving and I didn't pack my curling iron, so I had to use my flat iron. And I wasn't mad at the finish, you know, like I feel like the curl is still like the same achievable with a curling iron, you know. It really wasn't a big deal. But this is how the curls turned out. This hair holds a curl really, really good. I still got the wig on, and the curls are like very bouncy, and it's a lot of body. So I'm cutting a little bit of layers in the front only because I wanted the front to give more than what it was giving. I wanted it to be a little bit more bouncy and like the curls like up in my face a little bit more. So I'm taking my flat iron again, and I'm just making an extra curl in the front so that I can have a little bit more body and like volume at the top. And this wig is 200% density, which means she's thick, y'all. When I was showing y'all the wig in the beginning of the video, I'm like, this wig is like really full, and you can tell like it was a lot of thought put into the hair, the overall quality of the hair, the overall quality of the lace is just like top tier. Okay, I don't know if any other company can top this. And I've worked with a lot of companies. I've been doing wig reviews for like 6 years now. The fact that I came across a wig and I'm just like mind blown at the quality and how easy it is to work with, y'all. I think this is the one. This is probably #1 for me. But I'm just combing out my curls, and I didn't want them real big, but I did want some nice, flirty, flowy curls. So I'm cutting a little bit more layers in the front because I still wasn't satisfied with the flow in the front. But I think this is the last time I'm going to cut it. But the layers were beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, it worked out perfectly. Putting a little bit of concealer in my part to try to hide the fact that this lace is so freaking clear that it was showing my freaking wig cap underneath. But you guys, this is the end of the video. If you like it, you know, comment down below. All the links for this wig will be in the description box, so you guys can go shop for yourself. You can see what the hype is about with XrsBeautyHair. And yes, thank you guys. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.